Guys, good morning. Tagal namin hindi nakapag-vlog. Busy kami ni Mia sa licensing namin. Data flow. Meron ba kayong alam sa data flow, guys? If you're here in the UAE, na-encounter nyo ba yung data flow? Good morning! Uy!
Ano pa yan?
Ano? What time is it, Bella? Good morning, Kuya. How's your sleep last night? You sleep well? It's 9:20 in the morning na, guys, sabi ni Bella. Oh, bakit irritable na? Let's go out. Bakit?
It's 9:20.
Irritable ka. So this one is going to school today. It's Monday. And also ate will go to school today. So let's prepare your things. Let's prepare your food before going to school. And guys, magpe-prepare muna kami because it's already 9:30 in the morning. Ang sundo nila is 11 a.m. See you again. Labas ka na. Come here. Lalabas na natin, guys, si Noah. Wow! Go down! Turn on the lights, Kuya.
Okay, introducing.
Yay! Good morning, gentle guys. Good morning, everyone. He was gonna start. Yeah, sabi ko na nga ba. Ayan na naman, nagsimula na ang ating umaga. Start of the day is putting all of the toys out from the box. Sige na. Good morning, then. Coffee, mami, kape?
Gusto mo?
I want coffee, yes. I want coffee. Anong baon mo today, ate? It's been a long time since we do the vlog, no? Busy kasi kami, guys. Sobra, grabe. Doing our data flow. Kailangan kasi sa work namin, guys. Nag-data flow rin ba kayo, guys? Nakat Noah ang ate, oh. Si mami mo. Titig ka ng kape.
Perfect.
I'm excited about the fun.
Bakit? Ayaw nga pala.
Swim.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Private food. We can vlog with the other ones. Your other two friends also have birthday in August.
Yes, tita. We are
Also
three.
kami.
Tita July, Tita...
Who's first?
Tita July. Because her birthday, that's why her name is July. Her birthday is July 31. You know? And then her sister name is May. Why? Her birthday is May.
Oh!
And then her brother name is June because his birthday is June.
It's nice, right? They have the
Their
name.
names
They have the names of the month.
Name
Ikaw,
is
kuya.
July.
But if I'm
Kailan birthday mo? How about Baste? When is your birthday? You still remember the birthday of your baby brother?
Basket's perfect. Yeah, March.
March when? What's the date?
I only know March.
25.
You know that, right?
No.
Ano kakainin nito, me?
Nuggets, chicken strip.
O yan, nagluto na ata si mami mo eh. Oh. How about you? Nuggets also?
No. Chocolate.
Chocolate daw? No, for lunch. You need to put in the rice. Anong alam
Hindi
mo?
mo yung bag, anong kailangan ng tubig mo?
Yan.
Say lang yan.
Ayun ate, tulungan mo si Noah. Kinukuha niya yung laruan niya doon, ha.
Okay.
Yung regalo ni Tita Soren tsaka ni Tita
You
Jessica.
already got it.
Ayan, we will put it like that. Di mo, lalagay mo yung bola dun sa taas. You're gonna put there, oh.
Oh, yung pokpok.
Ay, pampukpok ko. Oh, oh. Parang pampukpok ko. He knows how to do it na.
He knows.
Oh.
Let's try. Only. Only.
Mm.
Must be slowly.
It's okay. You'll not be broken.
Noah's turn. Noah's turn. Noah.
Hindi ko ito Noah. Papaluin niya ni Noah. Lakasan mo anak. Sige.
Lakas!
Sige, one more. Palo pa.
Noah! Palo! Palo! One more! One more!
Paluin mo pa anak.
One more! Oh?
Paluin mo na ate.
more, like this. Look, I'll show you.
Okay, kuya. Ah.
Wait, that was there. Try again, okay? Try, okay? Now give it to Noah.
Try it na madali.
Do it lakas.
Oh. Nice. Good job. Chicken nuggets guys for the kids. Ayan ang kanilang baon. Parang sunog na.
Hindi ah.
Balikin mo kami.
Nakabaligtad ko lang.
Oo, sobrang na. Ikaw, what's your baon?
Hipon.
Si Mrs. may baon na to eh. We have some foods already here in the fridge. Iinitin na lang guys. Mamaya. Ano lutuin mo?
Ito, Noah.
Ready. Thanks for Noah. Look our kitchen, no, ate. Before it's so ugly.
Yeah.
Now look, it's a little bit nice now.
Better than before.
Pinintirahan na kasi ito eh.
Mommy,
Mm.
how come there was like a bit of a fire there?
No fire.
Like there was something like brown there. Is it with fire before?
Chicken nuggets. How many chicken nuggets yun yung eat, ate?
Only two and one chicken
Ilan ba
stripe.
niluto mo, may?
Sakto.
Okay.
Dalawa sila. Tapos sabi sila sa chicken.
Dalawang chicken strip, saka 4 na chicken nuggets. Ito natin, oh. Luto na ako ng kanin kanina. I woke up early. I already cooked the rice. I want coffee. Let's coffee, guys. Kape tayo. Mm. Ah, sarap.
That's a monster truck. That's a fire truck.
Paliguan ko na kayo. Wow! Luto na! Ang favorite ni Bunso. Go to mama. Go! Punta kay mami mo. Ayan na, oh. Remove na yun. Alisin mo na kasi ito. Remove the pacifier. Ay, mahuhulog pa. Go to mami. Yung dalawa guys, nag-ano na. Sa sarili na. Oy! Wala kaming nanay ngayon guys kasi Tita Jenny is going to fix her
Medical.
visa. Yes, she's going for a medical. Jenny is going for a medical.
Service.
Eat one by one. Good job. Good job. Good job.
What did you run out?
I-prepare namin si Sebastian. Tapos kakain na mamaya. Come here. So what do you have there? Kay mami niya, oh. Eat na kuya.
Matari, hindi.
Yan mo na siya.
You have water ah. Want milk, Bella?
Nope.
Why?
Itong bata na to eh. Anak ng puto. Luto si Mrs. guys ng puto kagabi oh. Hindi sobrang tamis. Ito. Good morning.
I-brief daw si Bastede.
Meron na may.
Alam niya
Rin
pag
eh.
totoong babay.
Oh, babay
Kiss
na.
na.
Bella, kiss your mami.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Babay na kay mami mo.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Kiss mo si mami.
Ano oras uwi mo eh? Mamaya.
Bye! Mainit oh.
Bye-bye. See you later, kagay. Bye-bye, Baste.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye na. Sige na. Ingat ah. Tito Jeff. See you later. Tito Jeff is already outside. Guys, tapos na silang Ayan. Diyan na yung garlic nila guys. Nag-aantay na saan nila sa baba. Kami na lang ni Noah na iwan Oh, batting time na rin guys. So, ako na lang ang natitira dito. Oras ko na rin para paliguan si Noah guys. So, ganito lang palagi. Guys, naihatid ko na yung mga estudyante sa baba. Si Noah na lang Kakatapos ko lang sa kanya magpaligo. Ayan, kalmado lang guys Yan, kalma ka muna. At kumakain ako guys. Ito food ko guys for lunch adobong sitaw na may baboy. Yan. Bale, ito yung lunch natin today. Yun guys sibog tayo aking pagkain today, sitaw tsaka pork. Grabe itong data flow ko guys. Sakit sa ulo. Sitaw